This 2016 Jayco Eagle 345 BHTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 39 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, slide-out, leveling jacks, air conditioning, awning, TV, oven, skylight, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco Eagle 345 BHTS is 10,815 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.